Here's the controversial take. Perplexity is better than Google for research. I know, that sounds insane, but hear me out. Perplexity is an AI search engine. You ask it a question, and instead of getting 10 blue links, you get an actual answer, with citations. Instantly. I tested this for a full week. Every time I needed to research something, I'd use Perplexity instead of Google. Example, I needed to understand the recent changes to YouTube's monetization algorithm. Google gave me blog posts from 2022 and outdated articles. Perplexity gave me a summary of the actual 2024 policy changes with links to the official resources. Another example, I was curious about the latest AI model releases. Perplexity gave me a comparison of GPT-4, Claude, and Llama in the context of real-world performance, not marketing nonsense. Actual performance metrics. The time savings are stupid. I'd normally spend 15 minutes hunting through Google results. Perplexity gave me what I needed in 30 seconds. Pricing. The free version is limited. Pro costs $20 a month and gives you unlimited searches and access to better models. The limitation, sometimes the AI hallucinates or misrepresents data. It cites sources, but not every claim in a response is backed by the citations. You still need to think critically. But for quick research, market research, industry news, competitive analysis, Perplexity is genuinely better than my old Google workflow. This is where I realized I wasn't just testing tools. I was rebuilding my entire productivity stack. Notebook LM is Google's tool, and honestly, I think it's flying under the radar. It's designed for one thing, taking source material, PDFs, documents, articles, whatever, and creating study notes, analysis, and insights from them. Here's why this matters. I have a weird job. Part of my work is consuming research and turning it into actionable insights for my audience. Normally, I'd read a 30-page research paper, take scattered notes, spend hours synthesizing it into something useful. With Notebook LM, I upload the PDF, and it automatically generates a comprehensive guide, key takeaways, and even a podcast-style discussion between two AI voices summarizing the paper. I'm not kidding. You upload a document, and it generates an audio summary of the key points. You can listen to it while you work. I tested this on a complex AI research paper about transformer efficiency. Notebook LM generated a 10-minute audio breakdown that honestly captured the important parts better than I would have in a manual summary. Price. Notebook LM is free. That's it. Free. The catch. It's still in experimental phase. Some features are locked behind a waitlist. But what's available is genuinely useful. Why did this become my winner? Because it solved a specific problem I didn't know AI could solve this well. It took my least favorite part of my job, manual synthesis of dense material, and made it actually enjoyable. But here's the honest truth. The best tool is different for everyone. You need the right tool for your specific workflow. Alright, here's my actual recommendation framework. If you're a general knowledge worker, writer, marketer, anyone who needs to produce content quickly, Claude wins. Better quality output, faster turnaround, and the pricing is fair. If you write code, Cursor, no question. The workflow integration is worth the price alone. If you research constantly, Perplexity Pro. It saves me hours every week. If you consume a lot of dense written material and need to synthesize it, Notebook LM is free and honestly magical. ChatGPT, it's the jack of all trades, master of none. Fine for casual use. Not my pick for professional productivity. Total monthly cost for my stack. Claude Pro, 20. Cursor, 20. Perplexity Pro, 20. Notebook LM, 0. $60 a month. 6 months ago, I would have said that's expensive. But I've measured the time savings, and these tools save me a pro.